Glad to welcome you to Insider News Proper. The prestigious Ozomkpu Society of Enugwu-ukwu recently recorded increase in the number with the initiation of Chief Theo Omalu into the society. The event attracted friends, family members, and well-wishers who came to felicitate with Chief Omalu as he attained one of the highest traditional positions in Igbo setting. Join Kenechukwu Chukwudi for details of the event and more.
Held at his hometown, Enugwu-ukwu, Njikoka Council area, which was decorated to depict the mood of the event. The arena charged when the Ozomkpu title holders in Enugwu-ukwu filed in, adorned in their uniform with the tune of the revered Umaeze. The arrival of the traditional ruler of Enugu, Igwe Raf Ekpe, kick-started the event as he performed the kola nut ritual after some dance steps to the Ife tune. Chief Jude Ekunife gave an insight into what Ozomkpu is all about.
Showing devoted and adequate loyalty to the Igwe. Be someone that is philanthropic in nature and in appearance. He's already a man of blessing and a man of grace. God has blessed him. Okay? What I'm wishing ordinarily is longevity. God has given him wealth. God has given him children. I'm only praying and wishing him long life. And long life is long life with health, with good health.
Ozomkpu Ezudo Chief Uche Nwora explained that the title confers the responsibility of being a peacemaker, a promoter of justice at all times on members, while Dr. Joseph Okechukwu and a relative, Chief Damian Omalu, noted that the initiation of Chief Omalu into the Ozomkpu Society is long overdue, having been a member of the Royal Cabinet of Enugwu-ukwu for some time.
It means you are now an elder. In Igbo they say, Okago Manile. That means you are always going to stand for justice, for peace, and for truth in everything you do. And you always help the needy. You keep your doors open. Keeping your doors open means when people are in need, they come to you. That's an elevation. That's the highest society in the community.
I pray that generous providence will skyrocket him to Igwe title. You are considered Ozomkpu. It means that you are one of the shakers and movers in this town, and he is one of the shakers and movers. When you near him, you know that his invaluable contribution to the society is impeccable.
Today, only 15 years ago, I'm all of the Cassidia. There is overdue to do it. Only my so, from day one. So I don't know my so
at this juncture, the official initiation of Chief Omalu began with cleansing, which was done with Nzu and his decoration with all the Ozomkpu paraphernalia. Chief Omalu and other Ozomkpu members danced to the Ife tune. From Enugwu-ukwu It's been Kenechukwu Chukwudi for ABS Insider News.